How to fix a broken air conditioner. A faulty or broken down air conditioner can be a big annoyance, especially as it usually breaks down in the heat of summer in the middle of the day. Air conditioners can fail for a variety of different reasons. Below is a checklist of 5 troubleshooting points that may help you get your air conditioning system up and running again. 1. Clean the return air filter. A dirty filter can either reduce the output of an air conditioner or even damage the system if it becomes very blocked. A simple clean of the filter can easily get your system up and running again. You should aim to clean your filter every few weeks or as needed. 2. Examine the controller. Owner error is the main reason an air conditioning controller can cause the system problems. Some things to check are to see if the controller has batteries, check the temperature set on the controller, and check to see if heating or cooling is chosen. All these things can cause an air conditioner to not work correctly. Also be wary of adding timers and programs unless you know how to use and set your controller. If you are at all unsure about the controller's operation, speak with the company that installed your system. 3. Check the compressor coil. If your HVAC system is not running, check around the compressor for damage. Anything that looks unusual or even sounds unusual can be a sign of damage. Be sure to check to make sure that the coils are not obstructed by anything and make sure nothing is stuck in the fan. 4. Reset the power. Try restarting the unit to fix an air conditioner that has stopped working. Simply turn the unit off at the meter box for about a minute and then restart. This quick and simple trick has been known to restart a system many times. 5. Look at the ducting. With central air conditioners or ducted units, be sure to get up into the roof to examine the ducting. Look for any loose fittings that may be causing problems. Also check that the duct runs are smooth, as any sharp bends can restrict airflow. Try these 5 HVAC troubleshooting tips and hopefully you should be able to get your HVAC system up and running again. If you still have problems after trying these 5 points, it is time to call in an air conditioning contractor. Want more air conditioning tips and advice? Please visit us for more information on HVAC air conditioning brands and much more. Article source: https://ezinearticles.com/expert/James_Fletcher/88881